Science. What do you mean by science? Science is a systematized and organized knowledge about various natural phenomena which is obtained by careful experimentation, keen observation, and accurate reasoning. The word science derived from Sanskrit word shastra, which means organized knowledge. There are two types of sciences: biological sciences and physical sciences. The biological sciences. The sciences which deals with the behavior of living things. It include botany, zoology, ornithology, anthropology, entomology, and forensic sciences. Physical sciences. The sciences which deals with the behavior of non-living things. The two main physical sciences are physics and chemistry. What do you mean by chemistry? Chemistry is the study of every substances, its structure, its composition, and changes in which it takes part. What do you mean by physics? Physics is a study of natural world which deals with the concept of space, time, motion, matter, energy, radiation, etc. It includes geology, geography, astronomy, astrology, and oceanology. The tremendous growth of science has taken place only due to the use of scientific attitude and the scientific method. What do you mean by scientific attitude? The scientific attitude requires a flexible, open minded approach towards solving problems in which other important points of view are not neglected without any reason. The scientific method. The scientific method is the step-by-step approach used by the scientist in studying natural phenomena and establishing laws. There are different steps of scientific method. They are experimentation, observation, formation of hypotheses, verification of hypotheses, and theoretical predictions. Scientific theory. What do you mean by scientific theory? Scientific theory is a set of limited number of laws in terms of which the behavior of a physical system can be explained. Physics. Physics originates from Greek word which means nature. In 350 BC, Aristotle introduced the word physics. In Sanskrit, the word physics originates from Bhautikam, which means physical world. Physics is the branch of science that deals with the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation in various natural phenomena. Physics is the most fundamental of all sciences as it is concerned with the study of various natural phenomena. Physics. Physics originates from Greek word which means nature. In 350 BC, Aristotle introduced the word physics. In Sanskrit, the word physics originates from the word Bhaudigi, which means physical world. Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation in various natural phenomena. Physics is the most fundamental of all sciences as it is concerned with the study of various natural phenomena. Two principal thrusts in physics. They are unification and reductionism. In unification, explain various physical phenomena in terms of few concepts and laws. For example, Newton's law of gravitation can be used to describe the motion of a body falling towards Earth, the motion of the moon around the Earth, and the motion of planets around the sun. What do you mean by reductionism? In reductionism, the macroscopic system in terms of microscopic constituents. For example, thermodynamics developed for explaining macroscopic properties such as temperature, internal energy, entropy of the bulk system. Later, thermodynamics explain in molecules in kinetic theory and statistical mechanics. The scope of physics. To understand the scope of physics, we have to study about the branches of physics. The main disciplines of physics are classical physics and quantum mechanics. What do you mean by classical physics? Classical physics is the macroscopic phenomena which may be at the laboratory, terrestrial, and astronomical scales. It includes branches like mechanics, optics, thermodynamics, and electrodynamics. What do you mean by quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics deals with the microscopic phenomena at the minute scale of atoms, molecules, and nuclei. The main subdiscipline of physics are mechanics, optics, thermodynamics, electrodynamics, quantum mechanics, and relativity. What do you mean by mechanics? Mechanics deals with the equilibrium or motion of a material bodies at low speed. It is based on laws of gravitation. The propulsion of rocket, equilibrium of rod bent under a load, propagation of water waves or sound waves in air are studied in mechanics. What do you mean by optics? Optics deals with the nature and propagation of light. It deals with the formation of images by mirrors and lenses, colors in thin films, etc. Thermodynamics. What do you mean by thermodynamics? It deals with a macroscopic system in equilibrium and is concerned with the changes in internal energy, temperature, entropy, etc. of the system through external work and heat. We study the efficiency of heat engine and refrigerator by using thermodynamics. What do you mean by electrodynamics? Electrodynamics deals with the electric and magnetic phenomena associated with the charged and magnetic bodies. It is based on laws given by Coulomb's, Oersted, Ampere, and Faraday, which were later unified by Maxwell. It deals with the problems like motion of a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, propagation of radio waves through the atmosphere, etc. What do you mean by quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics deals with the mechanical behavior of submicroscopic particles like atoms and nuclei and their interaction with projectiles like electrons, photons, and other elementary particles. What do you mean by relativity? Relativity is the theory of invariance in nature. It deals with the motion of particles having speeds comparable to the speed of light.